Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladite. Today I'll be showing you how to get access to the TikTok studio for 7 days. The steps are: click at the plus icon there, Chrome, tap at live, then under go live option you'll see device camera, mobile gaming, live studio. Click on live studio. Then this is it, get access TikTok studio. Tap on it. So these are the terms for going live. For go live with live studio, which are you need to get 7 days access live first. Your access will be automatically renewed for 180 days after meeting further requirements. 7-day trial access requirements. The live studio access currently not suspended or revoked. Live access suspended for less than one time in last 30 days. Have at least 1,000 followers. 180 days access requirement. Then you click on if you want to get access, click on get access. So guys, I've been accepted. They say congratulations, you have 7 days access. Go live now. So that's it on how to get access to TikTok Studio. Please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.